Hi, my name is Evan, and today I'll be showing you how to make a goat made out of a triangle. So first, you're going to come down here and draw an upside down triangle, like this. So then you're going to draw some eyes. Big and skinny eyes, like that. Then you're going to come over here, draw a half circle for his nose. Like that. So then you're going to come over here and draw some ears. Like that. Then you're going to draw like the details. So like some hair right there, some horns, his mouth, some eyebrows, and there, you got the head. But wait, you gotta draw his little beard down here, and there you got his head. So first you're gonna draw like that. You're gonna come over here and draw that same shape, but like this. So then you got the shape of his body. So then you're gonna come down here and draw some legs. 1, and then 2. And then draw chest fur, then a tail. Now you're going to draw another leg, and fill into his stomach. There you go. Now you're going to draw another leg, like this. So then you mostly got your goat. Then you're going to add some hoof fur or leg fur. And then, boom, you got yourself a goat. Keep drawing.